Why cowboy hats have that shape? Welcome to our community, folks. Country Vibes Nation USA. The cowboy hat, more than fashion. It's a tool, a symbol, a legacy. But why the shape? That wide brim, that high crown, it's not just for looks. Out on the plains, wind is relentless. The brim blocks dust and debris from the eyes. Rain? No problem. That sloped brim channels water away from the face and neck. And yes, saloon doors. That tall crown helped hats clear the doorway with style. In the 1800s, hats were custom, shaped by wearers. No two were alike. John B. Stetson revolutionized the design. Durable, waterproof, iconic. Steam, pressure, and personal flair. That curve? It's part function, part personality. On the trail, the hat shields from sunburn and sudden storms. It's also a greeting, a gesture of respect. Cowboy etiquette 101. Flat, curled, dipped, each shape tells a story of region and purpose. In town, hats came off indoors, a sign of manners and tradition. Today, cowboy hats are still worn with pride, from rodeos to country concerts. Collectors treasure vintage shapes. Each brim holds history. From prairie winds to barroom brawls, the cowboy hat has seen it all. Hit that subscribe button and ride with us through every country beat.